We had a good week last week at Productivity's Oktoberfest open house. From the standpoint of a machinery dealer, it's really one of the most amazing open houses I've ever been to. I mean, they had an attendance over 4,000 people across 4 days. They offer such a wide variety of machinery, and we were able to have a table inside the room that they have dedicated to Citizen, which of course is a large screw machine OEM. So our products are being shown right there next to the machines that they go on, which was really nice. We had quite a few contacts with existing customers. I mean, it's great to hear. It's such a boost to always have your customers come in and say, wow, your product is great. You know, it's helped me with this. You know, we get a lot of positive reinforcement when we go to shows like that. And still some people who hadn't heard of us yet. So yeah, a really worthwhile show. I thought it was put on really well. They organized it well. The whole staff of Productivity is very dedicated. They're very professional. Great to work with. Good people. It's been almost 10 years that we've been going to that show. So people, you know, you build relationships in that time. So it's nice to see the salespeople that are selling our items. It's nice to talk to them. I was able to do some video calls with customers. They have a customer in Puerto Rico that was having an issue, so we did a video call and resolved that at the show. So really good experience. We had a great time, and look forward to it in 2 years' time.